Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to update Windows 10. First, open Settings, then go to Updates and Security. It tells me that I'm up to date and the last time that updates were searched for. If I want to check for updates manually, then I have to click on the Check for Updates button. It's finished searching for updates and it tells me that there is an optional quality updates available. If I want to download this update, then I have to click on Download and Install. When it's done downloading the update, it's going to give you the option to either restart right now, or if you want to wait, click on Schedule the Restart. Then turn this option on. And then pick the time and day that you want your computer to be restarted so that the update is applied. Please keep in mind that if you happen to shut down your computer after downloading an update, it will most likely be installed, which might slow up the process of turning on your computer again. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped. If it did, please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.